lot different to what I expected. Pain-free, a bit of a laugh. Had a lovely breakfast during. Was talking to Dr. Nel and his staff throughout the whole thing. And all in all, it was a pleasure, really. It wasn't strenuous. They had put me at ease beforehand, and it flew. I suppose after a year or so, when the results were really evident, people were asking me questions about how my hair was looking so much better. I got a bit of a laugh out of pretending it was the sea air, but I think after a year it was very noticeable how good the results were. After the first meeting with Dr. Nel, I was kind of sold, hook, line and sinker. Obviously I'd done a bit of research, I'd read up a lot, but after my first meeting with Dr. Nel, I was very confident, I was reassured, and to be honest, I just couldn't wait to get started. I couldn't see why, if people were worried about their hair receding or going lighter, why they wouldn't consider it. My only regret is I didn't go that bit earlier. Couldn't speak highly enough about Dr. Nel and the team, and I'd always recommend him to anyone who was thinking about it.